Welcome to Kids Nursery TV. La 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 la.
La la la.
Are you ready? Let's open surprise eggs. Pour for me.
One surprise egg, shiny and bright. Tap, 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 oh what a sight. Two surprise eggs, red and blue. Shake them gently, what's inside for you? Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. What do we see? Open them together, count with me. Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. Fun never ends. Little toys and happy smiles for all my friends. Three surprise eggs rolling on the floor. Pop them open, let's find more. Four surprise eggs, yellow and green. Cutest little toys you've ever seen. Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. One, two, three. Laugh and sing and dance around, happy as can be. Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. Shake, shake, shake. What a fun surprise inside every egg we take. Five surprise eggs, big surprise. Tiny Teddy says hi. Six surprise eggs, listen close. Little car goes vroom, vroom, go. Seven, giggle, giggle. Eight, shake it. Nine, almost there. Are you ready for the last one? 10 surprise eggs, hooray, hooray. Let's clap our hands and shout, yay! So many colors, toys and fun. Counting surprise eggs by one. Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. Thank you for the play. We had so much fun today. Hip, hip, hooray. Surprise eggs, surprise eggs. Time to say goodnight. Sweet dreams, little friends, sleep tight. La 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 la. Surprise eggs. Bye bye. Wick-hop. It's time to say goodbye. We had a fun day. See you again real soon. Hip